clear slimes because hair gel is clean. And I was at the dollar store and I saw some hair gels. And can you guess how much they were? $1. What? $1. What? You guys get it. Anyway, so today I'm going to be testing them out so that you guys, if you ever need to get one, you know what shirt to get and you don't waste money on one that doesn't work. So yeah. And today's like button challenge in a video, you have to press the like button with your pinky. Yeah. That rhymed. And then you guys have to comment down below a fun fact about yourself. So like, I like Jelly Belly beans in my belly. So let's get straight on to the video. Yo. So first thing we need to soften our hard slime is some hard slime. So yeah. So I'm gonna make a big batch of some overactivated hard slime, but this is 2018 now, so I'm gonna make it with machine. So let me just get that really quick. Alright guys, we got a machine here. I guess that online tutorial worked. Okay, so obviously to make some slime, we need some water. I'm just kidding, guys. This is glue. Okay, so I'm pouring some clear glue in here because I want to see also like how much this dyes it, you know? Okay, then we're gonna put some borax and let's start.
2 hours later.
Oh God, guys! It's going everywhere! I think the slime is done, guys. I think it's done. Okay, so we are all done. Now we can get this bad, hard baby out. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's start testing out these hair gels. So here's the slime, guys. So great. It's super pokey, super stretchy. Can you look at that? I think this one's a winner. This one's a really good winner. Okay, well, let's start testing out our hair gels. So the only thing I think we should do with this is just make it a teensy bit more stretchy. So let's start using the hair gels. So to make this fair, guys, I'm gonna put a cup of slime and then a tablespoon of hair gel so that we can like just make sure that all of them are equal and we can see which one is the best, you know, because it's all gonna be the same. So here is the gel I am using, by the way. It is LA Look Absolute Styling, and this one is actually at Walmart, so it should be a pretty good brand. Okay, so let's start putting that in there. Okay, and by the way, guys, this one has a little blue coloring to it, so maybe, I don't think it will turn the slime blue, but maybe it will. Ooh, I think it's working. Or is it not working? So this one seems like it's working pretty well because it kind of did melt. And that's a good thing, guys. It's a good thing that it melted. Okay, so here is the final product, guys. So as you guys can tell, it is a teensy bit more stretchy. I'm just kidding. This literally is a lifesaver. This one works really well. If this is only the first one, but I'm gonna go ahead and say that you should get this one if you go to the dollar store and get one because it works very well and you don't need a lot in. Also, I know I did put a tablespoon in this, but slime it does need Jesus, so you know. Okay, so I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of a 10 banana because it is pretty good. I don't know where the bananas are for, but bananas are good, so yeah. Okay, well, let's just go ahead and give this slime a little makeover. So let me just add some of my fairy magic. Abracadabra! Okay, guys, so it is all beautiful now, and this thing is gonna go in a really pretty slime sleeve. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the end so you can watch this mad, beautiful, magical mess of slime. Okay, let's see how the next one does because this one did pretty good. The next one is this one, and it is called XCESS. Okay, so there's a cup of this beautiful, wonderful slime that we made. So this one is completely clear, so it's got a very big advantage, but let's see if it's good or not because we don't know. Maybe it's really bad. Okay, so here's the tablespoon. It honestly kind of feels bad, guys, but I can't tell yet. I think it's working, guys! Guys, I didn't really have big standards for this video because I already did a video on testing out dollar store lotion, and those things, they were just below bad. They were just that bad. They were very bad. Okay. Well, guys, this hair gel is lying because it says that it has a 10 strong hold, support hold, but it's not holding my slime together, so. So it is all done now, guys, and it looks beautiful. Okay, so this stuff is Jesus. It's Jesus material. So before I make this, guys, let's go ahead and give it a makeover. So I kind of ran out of magic, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and have to do this manually, so yeah. Okay, so first we're gonna add its eyes. There we go. Her name is Mrs. Berry Blossom, and she has a purple smile. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and give this slime a makeover, obviously, so I need some makeup. So let's just put a little bit of makeup right there. Okay, I think that's good. Oh, some contour right there. Beautiful. All right, guys. Good makeover, I think. Okay. Sprinkle her face with a little bit of highlighter. Let's just go ahead and mess up her face now, I guess. Goodbye, beautiful Mrs. Berry Blossom. This one, guys, is gonna be very beautiful in the slime smoothie. There it is, guys. It is all done. It is beautiful. And Miss Berry Blossom isn't really a person anymore. It's kind of just, you know, a slime, but you know. Okay, guys, let's do a little bit of ASMR before we rate her. Out of a 10 because it is really good. So guys, I'm not sure which one is stronger. I feel like it's this one, but I don't know. You guys comment below your opinion, but this one I think it's better overall already because it is also a bigger container and it is clear, so. Okay, let's try the next one and see if anybody can top this one off. So here's the next one, guys. It is called Super Look because it makes you look super lookalicious. Okay, and this one is Extreme Hold. And also, guys, this one actually looks kind of like this one right here. It's the same one, guys! So, guys, I went to the store and I was like, this looks really familiar, which it looks like this one. And this one is actually my very favorite because it is clear and it works extremely good. Works better than those two and every single one. It is just awesome. This one is at like Walmart for like $4, I think. This one is $1, so let's see. Okay, so we got our cup of slime. There we go, that's a cup. By the way, guys, a little note, be careful with the hair gel because sometimes it can change the texture, so you know, just be careful, okay? Be careful with how much you put. Anyways, let's start. Okay, so here we have a tablespoon. That is way too much. Let's see if it works. This one seems kind of like it's working, but it doesn't seem like it's working as well as the other one. So this one does seem really good. It's very good, like, you know, it made it really stretchy, but I feel like it is not as strong as my favorite one. I feel like my favorite one's a little bit stronger, but it doesn't change the texture as much as these two do. Like these ones, you can feel like the gel in there, but this one, it actually keeps the texture pretty good and it makes it actually really thick. So I don't know, guys, this one's pretty good, but it seems like this one did not steal its cap. So let's give this slime a makeover. Okay, we're gonna put some pink food coloring, 2 pieces of pink food coloring, some glitter. We're gonna put a lot. Why isn't it coming out? Okay, I'm all done. Let's go ahead and do some ASMR. Guys, look at how pretty this one is. This one is definitely my favorite so far. It is so pretty. It has such a pretty color. Ta-da! Let's put some glitter on that. Okay, well, I'm gonna give this gel a 9 out of 10 because it wasn't that good, but it was still good. Okay, guys, comment down below what your opinion is, and let's see the last contestants. Will this gel be able to defeat all of these, or will it just be horrible? Let's find out. So, guys, this one actually was really funny because I also saw it like with this one, and I was like, huh, this really looks familiar, and then this one looks even more familiar. I mean, look at it. It's called the Monkey Gunk. Can you guys think about that? Like, Gorilla Stop, Monkey Gunk, like they're literally the same thing. They're copying each other. Well, I guess this one's copying this one. And then right here, it literally says, compared to the performance of Moco Gorilla. So, you know what? I am gonna compare to the performance of Moco Gorilla. So first, this one actually already has a disadvantage because it is a yellow gel. Let's see about that. And it is also foggy, so let's see how that works. Okay, we're gonna get our cup of slime. Now we're gonna get some snot, some monkey snot. This literally looks like boogers, guys. It's so gross. I feel like this is not gonna work too well, but who knows? It's working very well. Whoa, what if this one was the best one? What if it actually did steal all of those caps? Okay, so here is the final product, and it is no bueno. Don't put any monkey boogers in slime. It says gunk, but it means boogers. It means boogers. So let's just go ahead and give this slime a makeover. So this one, I'm gonna make it a very red and purple. I should have put this glitter this time. Yeah, let's start. Okay, so it didn't really turn out to the color I wanted it to, but it's okay. Here, let's try and put a little bit more blue. Oh no, I put way too much blue. Okay, well this one's gonna be like a Galaxy slime because it's really hard to like mix together because it's a harder slime, so yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and do some ASMR. This one, I'm not liking that much. Since I put like pink and blue in this, guys, it doesn't really change color because of how hard it is. It's not really like mixing very fast, so I like that. If you guys want a very long lasting slime from me, make sure it's very boraxed. This literally just turned into blue, guys. Okay, I'm gonna give this one a 5 out of 10 because it really wasn't that good, and also there's not a lot in the container, and it's also yellow, so. Okay, and since they decided to be a little like petty and said compared to the performance of Mocha Gorilla, we're gonna actually compare it. Okay, there's our cup of slime. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our Gorilla's Knot, and this one, here's how this one looks. It also does come in that container, I think too, but I'm not sure. This one, guys, is super sticky. It is so nice. I love it. I just like playing with it. It's like slime. Look at it, guys. It's super sticky. Okay, let's go ahead and put that in there. So guys, Gorilla Snot, wait, Monkey Gunk has nothing on Gorilla Snot. Can you look at this? The Gorilla Snot literally turned my slime into Gorilla Snot. But anyways, it needs a lot more borax. It really overactivated. If the Gorilla Snot was from the dollar store, it would win the whole thing, but it actually isn't, unfortunately. But anyways, guys, let's give this one a makeover, even though it's not in the dollar store, but it's gonna be in the slime smoothie, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make this one a blue one, a light blue, with some iridescent speckles. By the way, guys, a very big disadvantage for the Gorilla Snot one also is that it is foggy and it is yellow, so don't use it on clear slime unless you don't care. Ta-da! So if I were to rate this one, I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10, even though it's not in the dollar store, so just saying, it has nothing to do with these ones, it just has to do with hair gels in general. But anyways, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. It's pretty good, I like it. Let's get on to, I think you guys know, I want you guys to say it too. Slime smoothie time! Okay, there's the Monkey Gunk, we got the Gorilla Snot, I have no idea what kind. This one is, I have no idea. And this one was the first one. Okay, are you guys ready? This one's gonna be so pretty. I did all galaxy colors, I didn't even notice. And also, guys, make sure to take some screenshots for me and post it on Instagram and then tag me on it because I really like to see your guys' pictures. Anyways, let's keep going. Let's see if we can make a screensaver today, guys. Phone screensaver. That is our screensaver for today, guys. Oh my god, guys, this is beautiful. This one was definitely my favorite because it is completely clear and it comes in the biggest bottle. Yeah, it's the biggest bottle from here. Anyways, this is definitely my favorite. It works very, very well. I like it. You guys should definitely get it. And yeah, also comment down below if you want to do a part 2. I don't know if there's any more hair gels, but I'll find some. Anyways, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much. It's next time. Bye.